Swimming in a lake. Swimming in a lake. Camping in the forest or mountains. Camping in the forest or mountains. Playing basketball. Playing basketball. Having a picnic in the park. Having a picnic in the park. Going on a hike. Going on a hike. Biking around the city or in a park. Biking around the city or in a park. Playing tennis or badminton. Playing tennis or badminton. Flying a kite. Flying a kite. Kayaking or canoeing. Kayaking or canoeing. Playing golf or mini-golf. Playing golf or mini-golf. Fishing. Fishing. Jogging or brisk walking. Jogging or brisk walking. Rock climbing or indoor climbing. Rock climbing or indoor climbing. Visiting a zoo or wildlife sanctuary. Visiting a zoo or wildlife sanctuary. Playing traditional outdoor games. Playing traditional outdoor games. Attending a summer festival or fair. Attending a summer festival or fair. Watching an outdoor movie. Watching an outdoor movie. Visiting botanical gardens or flower gardens. Visiting botanical gardens or flower gardens. Hosting a BBQ party. Hosting a BBQ party. Playing frisbee or frisbee golf. Playing frisbee or frisbee golf. Surfing or learning to surf. Surfing or learning to surf. Taking nature photographs. Taking nature photographs. Joining an outdoor yoga class. Joining an outdoor yoga class. Trying geocaching. Trying geocaching. Attending an outdoor live music concert. Attending an outdoor live music concert. Visiting a water park. Visiting a water park. Playing beach volleyball. Playing beach volleyball. Participating in outdoor volunteer activities. Participating in outdoor volunteer activities. Visiting historical landmarks. Visiting historical landmarks. Sailing. Sailing. Organizing a treasure hunt. Organizing a treasure hunt. Playing paintball or laser tag. Playing paintball or laser tag. Doing outdoor fitness training like calisthenics. Doing outdoor fitness training like calisthenics. Taking a nature photography class. Taking a nature photography class. Exploring caves. Exploring caves. Trying survival games. Trying survival games. Joining an outdoor cooking class. Joining an outdoor cooking class. Having a picnic with friends and family. Having a picnic with friends and family. Visiting vineyards or farms. Visiting vineyards or farms. Trying adventure games like ziplining. Trying adventure games like ziplining. Playing table tennis outdoors. Playing table tennis outdoors. Exploring new hiking trails. Exploring new hiking trails. Attending an outdoor painting class. Attending an outdoor painting class. Visiting a strawberry or fruit farm and picking fruit. Visiting a strawberry or fruit farm and picking fruit. Participating in team-building outdoor games. Participating in team-building outdoor games. Hosting a bonfire party. Hosting a bonfire party. Go on beach. Go on beach. Visiting farmers markets or night markets. Visiting farmers markets or night markets. Joining group activities like a flash mob. Joining group activities like a flash mob. Reading a book or listening to music in the park. Reading a book or listening to music in the park.